Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on programming your HMI. Today, we'll be adding video playback using the Media Player component. This tool allows you to play video and audio files directly on your HMI screen, making your interface more dynamic and interactive. Before we begin, it's important to note the file restrictions for the Media Player. The supported file formats include AVI, MP4, RMVB, and WAV. Additionally, the maximum file size allowed is 30 megabytes, and the frame rate must be below 24 frames per second. The resolution of the media file must also be smaller than the HMI's resolution to ensure proper playback. If these conditions are not met, the system will display an error. If SRW70 equals 30, it indicates a file format error, while SRW70 equals 31 means playback has failed. To add the Media Player component, go to Component Greater Than Tools, Greater Than Media Player in the menu bar. This will open a settings window where you can configure its properties. One of the key settings is the Play Control Register, LW20, which manages playback functions. This register allows you to start, stop, pause, mute, and skip through media files. For example, setting LW.B 20.0 to 1 will start playback, while setting LW.B 20.1 to 1 will stop it. You can also adjust the playback mode, switch between videos, control volume, and enable looping. Once the play control settings are configured, the next step is to define the file path register, LW60, which determines where media files are stored. You can also choose a background color for the media player to match your HMI design. Before finalizing, it's a good idea to preview the media. Navigate to the Media Preview tab and click Open Files to check how the media will play on your HMI. Once satisfied, adjust any necessary display settings and click OK. Finally, click anywhere on the screen to place the Media Player component in your HMI project. To add and select the videos you want to display in your HMI, the File Browser box is a useful tool. This component allows users to browse and select media files stored either in the HMI or an external storage device. By integrating the File Browser box with the Media Player, you can efficiently manage and play your videos. The File Browser box is designed to display file information and filter files based on specific criteria. To add this component, navigate to Component, greater than Toggle Switch and Menu, greater than File Browser box from the menu bar. This will open a settings window where you can configure various parameters. First, adjust the general settings such as font size and color for file path display. You can also filter files by clicking Add Items and specifying file extensions .mp4, .avi, .wav to ensure only media files appear in the browser. Additionally, set the date format and choose a separator like slash, dash, or dot for date display. One crucial step is to assign the output file absolute path, which determines where the selected file path is stored. In this case, use LW60, the same register linked to the media player, ensuring seamless file selection and playback. After setting up the file browser, configure the display properties as needed and click OK to apply the changes. Finally, click anywhere in the HMI window to insert the File Browser box component. Once placed, users can navigate through stored files and select videos for playback. To be able to control video playback, we need to add buttons to the project and configure them using the same play control register assigned to the media player. To start, create individual buttons for each control function. Assign each button a corresponding register value based on the play control register LW20 configuration. For example, setting LW.B 20.0 to 1 will start playback, while LW.B 20.1 stops it. Similarly, you can assign LW.B 20.2 for pause/restore. Now we download this project to our HMI. Once project is downloaded, insert the USB into the HMI, and then wait till it shows up in the file browser. You will choose your file video and play it. That will be all for this tutorial. If you have any more questions, then let us know in the comments.